Howdy folks, Noam here with Mifflin Iron and Wood Manufactory. And I just want to show you this spring pole lathe I just completed. This is based on a design that I got from Roy Underhill. He adapted it from an 18th century German technical encyclopedia, and I believe this was in one of his books. I got the design from an article he published in Popular Woodworking, August 2016, if you want to look that one up. But I will warn you, there are some mistakes and inaccuracies in those plans, so just be careful, double check everything as you're building it. Two notable examples of dimensions for the poppet. The tailstock are wrong. Also, it says to make all your wedges out of the same stuff and make the rest of this. You do not want to do that. You want hardwood. Most of this is construction timber, in my case white fir. It's what I had on hand. But any kind of wedges you're making need to be hardwood, so get some oak or something. So unlike a lot of spring pole designs where you have just the one spring coming down from the roof of your shop or hooked up on a tripod or something and then going straight down to your drive cord, this has two pieces of hickory. These two spring rods down here are actually in the body of the lathe, which makes it very portable. This is a nice thing. It connects then to the rocker arm, and then the rocker arm connects to the drive cord. And you can also use this little slider here do it. There we go. To adjust the tension. Enough tension. There we go. And then your drive cord wraps around the piece you're turning. You got your tool rest here. You present your tool to the work. And let the chips fly. So now that I built this thing, I guess I better learn how to turn wood.